Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Discovering Sri Lanka. Today I'm going to teach you some English while visiting a very beautiful waterfall. This is Lahupana Waterfalls, which is a hidden natural treasure situated in Kegalle district. Okay, let's explore the waterfall. Watch the video until the end and enjoy the natural beauty of Sri Lanka while learning English. Let's go. Lahupana Falls is in the village of Lahupana near Kegalle in the Kegalle district. If you travel along the Colombo-Kandy main road, you need to leave the main road and continue for a few more kilometers through quiet village roads. The journey is beautiful. On both sides of the road, you can see green trees, rubber plantations, small houses and paddy fields. The fresh air and peaceful surroundings make the journey enjoyable. After reaching the village, we walk along a small path. As we get closer, we begin to hear the sounds of running water. The sound becomes louder and louder. Finally, Lahupana Falls appears before us. What a wonderful sight! The clear water flows gently over dark rocks. The water falls into a natural pond below. The trees around the waterfall provide cool shade. Birds sing in the forest, and the fresh breeze makes the place calm and relaxing. It is the perfect place to enjoy nature. Many people visit famous waterfalls. However, Lahupana Falls is still quiet and less crowded. That is one reason why this place is so special. Visitors can enjoy the beauty of nature without much noise. If you love photography, hiking, or simply relaxing, this waterfall is worth visiting. Now, let's learn a few useful English words. Waterfall, the end. Water falling from a high place. උස ස්ථානයකින් වතුර වැටෙන. Stream, දියපාර, ගඟ, a small river, කුඩා ගඟක් වැනි දියපාර. Rock, a large piece of stone, ගල් පර්වතය, විශාල ගලක්. Forest, වනාන්තරය, a place with many trees, ගස් ගොඩාක් සහිත ස්ථානයක්. Peaceful, quiet and calm, නිශ්ශබ්ද, සංසුන්, peaceful, සාමකාමී. Hidden, not easy to find, පහසුවෙන් සොයාගත නොහැකි, hidden, සැඟවුම්. Can you make sentences using one of these words? පුළුවන් ද ඔබට මේ වචන වලින් එකක් දෙකක් අරන් වාක්‍ය හදන්න? Try it before the video ends. උත්සාහ කරලා බලන්න වීඩියෝ එක අවසන් වෙන්න කලින්. Sri Lanka is full of beautiful places. Some are famous, some are hidden. Lahupana Falls reminds us that nature's greatest treasures are sometimes found in the quietest places. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep learning English and keep discovering the beauty of Sri Lanka. See you in the next video.